Well, I started out, when I was in school, I worked on the farm during the summer, in the off season. And when I graduated school, couldn't keep any steady work doing that because of the weather. And so that's kind of how I wound up in the steel business. I got a job as just a general laborer for a little metal building company in Cabot. And over the years, knowing people and, small community of fabricators. So anyhow, I wound up here in 1990. Most people are working for money. I mean, that's kind of what we all, we're all working for money. And an annual pay in this business, with the hours we work and all that, a welder can make 80 grand a year. Pretty easy. So, money's a factor. Like I said, it's hard work, but this company right here, advancement, you can advance. If you have the qualities that we're looking for and you're trainable, you can advance quickly in this company. Well, even the robotics out there's a big percentage of stuff that the robotic steel beam assembler cannot do. If there's components that are within the grip of the machine, it can't put them on if it's too long or too short. So there's a big percentage of stuff that has to go outside that. We still need the old-fashioned fitter welder, like it has been done for years. We still have a need for that. We're looking at purchasing more CNC equipment, and so we're always going to have a need for operators. Our drill line operator hired on as a welder, and we had an opening for a CNC operator, and he was interested. So he's actually never welded for us in production. We have openings in every position: maintenance, CNC operators, fitters, welders. We offer a $250 sign-on bonus after 90 days of employment. And if you're working here and you know a buddy and you recommend and he uses your name as a reference or whatever, then you can get another $250. So we're advertising and doing all we can to. And once we get good people in here, they stay. That's the big thing.